friends, I have the Beauty and the Beast, part of the Beauty and the Beast collection here I wanted to share with you. An unboxing of the chip warmer and a smell and tell of the last petal. So let's open Chip up. He's a mini warmer, ceramic. He takes a 15-watt light bulb. And he would be perfect in the kitchen. Okay, so he's really cute. And the little dish has a bell face. So you can see back here is where the light will shine through on your base. So it comes with the base and it comes with the light bulb. So this would be adorable if you have any Disney lovers in their kitchen. That's where mine's going. So it's part of the set with the Mrs. Potts, which is a bigger warmer, but Chip is the mini warmer. So cute. All right. And then we have the last Petal Scentsy bar. So this is a floral fragrance, and it's a fresh pink grapefruit, sparkling bergamot, and flower petals. I can definitely smell the citrus and the flower, so it's a good balance of fruity and floral. Yeah, it's just a fun fragrance. So that's the last petal. All right. So that'll do it for my little unboxing of the Beauty and the Beast, but there's definitely more Beauty and the Beast on the website if you want to check it out. And thanks for watching.